Hi there, in this video I want to show you MyStartup.blog, which is a Next.js boilerplate you can use to set up a blog for your startup. It already ships with a backend, a post editor, image upload and Supabase connection, so you can deploy it and start writing posts right away. After you've downloaded the code for MyStartup.blog, you can set up your own blog in just a few simple steps. And here in the README I have written them down for you. So you will have to create a Supabase project, you will have to get some credentials from the Supabase dashboard and add it in this environment file. There is one script for running some migrations to migrate the tables into your database, and that is actually more or less it. So after you set up your blog, you will get a landing page looking a little something like this. You of course will need to change the copy here for something that fits your startup, and the banner image too. I have a purple one because that's the color code of my startup. Then you will have a bunch of posts here sorted into different categories, and you can of course define these categories yourself in the posts. So I can filter for JavaScript, I can filter for Vue or Svelte, and I can also take this URL and send it to someone else, and they will be able to get the same filter post as I have. There is also a pagination here on the landing page. So even if you write a lot of posts, that's not going to be a problem. And then let's have a look at a post itself. So this is what a post looks like. You have this banner image, which you will upload using Supabase storage. And thanks to Supabase CDN, these images will then be downloaded very fast all across the world, and Supabase takes care of it for you. You can add a author section and social buttons, and then this is what the post looks like. So as you can tell, you can also add YouTube videos, you can have syntax highlighting if you're adding code, and you have this progress bar showing the reader how far they have read. So last but not least, I want to show you the back end of this blog. So I'm going to navigate there by hovering over admin up here. As long as I'm signed in, I will have that button. Then click edit posts. Then I'm going to create a new post with a very creative title. Then we have the post editor in front of us. So we can add some preview words that will be shown on the landing page. I can add a category like Vue. You can upload a banner image for the post. I don't have to, but I can. Very important, don't miss out on this one. I can add some metadata for the post. So this will be important for optimizing SEO, which is one of the reasons you want to have a blog, I assume. Then we have the editor itself. I can start by writing an H1 here with my cool title. I can also go ahead and add a block quote, which is of course very inspirational. I can go ahead and place a YouTube video, place an image or a link, or I can even add a code block, write npm install something. So as you can tell, we have more or less everything that we would need for a basic blog here.